How to register Binance and create an API for MyPerformers app. To register, go to Binance website and click Sign Up or utilize the menu button. You may use either your Google account or your email address. We will proceed with email address. Fill in your email address and password. Then agree to the terms of service. Binance will send you an email with the verification code when you click the Create Personal Account button. Fill in the code. Binance will prompt you for authentication. You may confirm your identity faster by installing the app, or you can just do it with web page. Please follow the steps to complete your authentication. After the authentication procedure is completed, your account will be verified. After you've verified your account, go to the API management page by clicking My Account button in the top right. Click Create API and give it a unique name and solve the security puzzle. Binance will ask you for additional verification codes. Your API will be generated when you complete the relevant fields. We need to make adjustments to the API in order for MyPerformers to operate correctly. To change your API, click Edit and check the box next to Enable Spot and Margin Trading. You can save your API key and secret key by copying and pasting them into a secure location, or you can link your Binance account straight from the MyPerformers app. After you've completed copying, save the API you've edited. Your API will be deactivated after 90 days. When the API is disabled, you can reactivate it by returning to this page. Everything is ready now. You can use MyPerformers app as you wish.